I've gotten a couple questions about what is the difference between the Stitch Rite system and our new Elite Platinum system. Basically, you switch from an analog system, which is the Stitch Rite. This is more of a digital system. It allows you to be able to add the computer or robot if you wish. You can do it all together as an upgrade, get the new electronics and the computer, or you can just do the upgrade and add the computer later. It has a couple of different features like LED lights. You can turn off, back on, adjust the brightness down or up. It also has black lights. That button is actually for laser light. This is kind of like your diagnostics area. And this is needle sensitivity. It can count how many stitches you have in a quilt and how long you've been working on a quilt. You can have up to 5 different profiles. So if you have, a group of people working with you, a couple of people working with you, you can program to which settings that you like. And then right here, we don't have one on this specific machine, but this is where you would access the computerized part. So it's not a separate thing, you just access it through this little wreath right here. But it's not engaged right now since there's not one. So there's basting, manual, which is no regulator, cruise control, where it kind of just follows where you go. Then the Elite Platinum is stitch regulated. Stops when you stop. This blue button is 3 tie-offs. So that's really nice. And then the salmon button is just a half stitch, or needle down, needle up. And then green is go. And then I hit green to stop because it brings the needle back up. This, for instance, if you hit the green button and go and hit the red button, it will just stop wherever. Versus where if you do the green button, it brings the needle up always, if that makes sense. You will also get a new motor, a new PCB is what we call it, like the main controller board, new encoders, which are right there, and you will remove the old fishing line. You won't have that anymore. It's a brushless motor, so you don't have to replace the brushes anymore. And that's just kind of a quick overview of what the Platinum electronics are. Let me know if you have any questions.